welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy Manzano for those of you that don't know me yet. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get beachy natural waves with the Marcel. And instead of using the wand, this one's just rounder instead of going like a cone. And so yeah, and I'm going to be doing it on my cousin today, and if you guys are interested in the video, just continue watching, and if you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe down below. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get right into the video, and I'm gonna be doing it on my cousin Anai, like I said earlier. So and her hair is really long, but it's really fine, so it shouldn't take that long. And like I said, I'm gonna be using the my Marcel, and I'm just gonna be giving her little beach waves, natural waves. And before I start, I'm just gonna spray some heat protectant on her hair. Okay. And now I'm gonna start. I'm gonna take section by section. So I'm just gonna section her hair at the bottom and clip this top up here, and I'm gonna take the Marcel and I'm gonna curl like this the Marcel facing down, and I'm gonna take small sections like this and then just kind of curl just like midway, like not all the way at the top, and then just hold it there. Okay. And then just kind of give it a little twist like that. And this gives her hair a fuller, gives it like the fuller look, like more thick, like she has a lot of hair. I mean, she does have a lot of hair, but it just makes it look thicker. And then just hold it on there for like 10-20 seconds, and then when they fall, let it fall on your hands and just kind of scrunch it up, and then give it a twist. And then with this, you want to like alternate the side you're going. So like those two, I went like this, but with this one, I'm gonna put the Marcel on this side and go like this on like the other direction. And then just hold it and let it go, and then give it a twist. Okay. And then same thing with this one, you're gonna do on this side. Hold it for a couple seconds. Let it go, give it a twist, and then with this one, I'm gonna do it this way. So not this side, going on the other side, and then just starts twisting. Hold it for a couple seconds, let it go, and then give it a twist. And with these, I like to spray it between the sections. Just a little bit of hairspray to give it a little bit more hold. Okay. And now I'm gonna move on to the second portion. And then just okay, and then just clip her hair up there, and I'm gonna be doing the same thing. And on this side, I'm gonna start with the other direction. So on the right side, on your right side of the strand. so we are at the last little section, and I'm just gonna finish curling this side, and then I'll show you guys the end result. Her bangs, I kind of did them a little, and I just grab a little bit, so like start in the end and just kind of twist it around the Marcel, let it go. Same thing with this, grab another section, just twist it around, let it go. Same thing here. Okay, and like her baby hairs, I just try. I'm gonna curl them going away from the face. So. Basically, now I just go back and I spray that with hairspray. You can cover her face, and then get her eyes. Like I said, like her baby hairs around her face, I just go back and touch them up. A little bit, let it go. And then I'm just gonna go back and touch up anything that looks, you know, like straight or doesn't look, it doesn't match or whatever. I just go back and do a little bit. To do is put, it doesn't have to be, the one I have is just coconut oil, and then I just kind of put it through the hair. It's just some like serum or something oily to make the hair look. And then I brush or comb out the top to make it look, to get all the flyaways. Okay, and then just play with it. That's the final look. Okay, so this is the final look, and it's just little natural looking curls, nothing much, and her hair was super long, so and it looked really cute on her because her hair's long. And yeah, and she's just gonna wear them to school tomorrow. Hopefully they stay on her because her hair is straight, but they look cute. And yeah, I hope you guys find this video helpful and useful, and I hope you guys will use my techniques. And then if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys have any suggestions for the next videos, just comment down below. And if you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.